everybody. Myself Poonam. I am working as a science teacher at Government Senior Secondary School, Khamano Kala, Fatehgarh Sahib, Punjab. First of all, I would like to congratulate and thank Punjab Shiksha Education Board for taking teaching learning process at such a great height and providing a platform to the student and teachers of Punjab for teaching learning process at social media. Being a science teacher today, I would like to share my views on importance of science in our life and developing scientific skills and scientific attitude among our students at early age. It is rightly said that science is not only a subject, it is a lifestyle. We can't imagine fraction of seconds without science in our life. For example, drinking water, listening a phone, listening to somebody else speaking, all these things involve science. Science is valued by society as it improves our lifestyles and fulfill our various basic needs. Science allows students to explore their world and find and discover new things. Science is an active subject and it can't be learned or taught without activities. To learn science, to understand science and to apply science in our lives, we need various activities, and these activities must be performed or taught to children at their early ages, because our younger children are very curious. They are full of questions. They are full of how, why, where, what, when. And these questions and this curiosity can be channelized by the teachers and parents to develop. We need not to wait for the school and the science teachers to perform these activities. We can start these activities at our homes with simple materials which is available at our home and in our kitchens. Today I have set this mini science lab with the material available in the kitchen and home to give idea that how can we start with our younger children these activities and inculcate different scientific skills and scientific attitude among our children at very early age. Now I am going to perform some activities. My first activity is to create volcano with the help of baking soda and vinegar. With the help of vinegar, that is a acid, and baking powder, that is a base. First of all, I will put vinegar in this bottle, then add baking powder to it. See what happens. See, bubbles are coming out. Our volcano is working. Now I will capture this volcano is forming due to the formation of carbon dioxide. Now see what happens. How can I capture this? In a balloon. Oh, our volcano is very active. See. I have done this earlier to show you. See, the balloon is getting inflated and this is due to the formation of carbon dioxide. You know, this chemical reaction is used in fire extinguisher as well. You see red cylinders in our midday meal, in our classroom, principal's office. All these आग बुझाओ यंत्र और फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर वर्क ऑन दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस. My next activity is again with vinegar and baking powder. See how magic hand we will create with this. Same thing, put some vinegar in this glass. Put some baking powder in this glove and some baking powder in this glass too. Now fit the balloon on the mouth of the glass like this and move the fingers of this glove to shift baking powder into the vinegar which is in the glass. See what is happening. Are you able to see this? Look, this is waving at you. Hello. My next activity is with this polythene bag, water and pencils. I am sure that you will enjoy this activity. Fill this polythene bag with water. Tie it tightly, hold it like this. See, there is no water coming now. I have pricked this polythene with the pencil, but water is not coming out of this, and this is due to the surface tension. It is magical now. You have pricked the polythene with two pencils, even then water is not coming out of the polythene bag. As I told you that science is a active subject and we can teach science activity actively to students by doing this small fun experiments. Activities to increase the size of lemons. See this, you can see the size. Put these lemons in this glass and see the size. I am putting same size of lemons in this glass which is filled with water. Add some more water. You can see the difference. With water, the size of lemon is big. Should I increase the size of these lemons too? See, is there change in the shape now? This is due to the phenomena refraction of light. This is the fun activity to increase the size of your lemons, will be enjoyed by the students very much, and this is due to refraction of light. Last but not least, this activity is also very interesting. Take a container, fill it with water, then put some pepper powder. This is pepper, kali mirch powder. Evenly distribute it on the surface of water. Now see what happens when I add some liquid soap in it. Liquid soap, this you can take, this you can take easy. This is also a liquid soap. See how particles have moved. Particles of Kali Mirch have moved to the side and the center water has get cleared. This is due to the surface tension created by soap water, and you get cleared water. So these are some fun activities which can be done by the students with the simple things in the kitchen and at home. I hope you all enjoyed these activities. Thank you.